Hello everybody, my name is Archer and welcome back to Donk-Zone. On today's episode we are checking out radio text. This is, oh, it's like a little 3D interface. A little 3D thing. Okay, for some reason my mouse keeps popping back up when I'm doing this, but that's okay. Available commands. Connect, interface, settings, difficulty. Available terminal settings, video, audio, difficulty. Okay, maybe that'll fix it. Available performance, VSync on. I just realized I typed on with... Okay, no, I want VSync on. Ah, god damn it. Wait, hold on. What? You can't disable VSync twice. Huh? I guess we're getting to grips with this. Hold on. Anyway, this is a typing game, and it looked interesting as something I could potentially cover, because it looks neat, but, let's see where we're at. Type. FPS limit. Let's do 144. Cool. You'll let me turn VSync on? Okay, VSync is now disabled. And let's try... Okay, now it's enabled. Okay, there. We had to turn it off to turn it on again for some reason. Either way, I love the terminal. The terminal's interesting. This is very satisfying noise. And if I don't turn my audio down, you'll hear me just going... So... Anyway, kill terminal... What is a... Hard, there won't be command hints. Medium, you need to type answers. Easy. Type your answer or click on easy. Memorize. Memorize, type easy. Let's type. So I guess, type speed? Fast? Okay, for the sake of playing the game, I think I'm going to keep it on that. But... let's see. Let's do names. Yellow. Message sources will be displayed in yellow? Like all of them? I thought that was just names. So what if I do system? Like blue? Ooh! Input? Green. Ooh. Names will do red. That'll help us distinctify a little bit between what's going on, even though it kind of looks yucky. I do like that it actually changes the color on the screen. So if I do a system real quick and go, let's do amber. Yeah, oh, amber. Change that back to blue. Let me move my mouse out of the screen since it keeps going there. I think we're... Oh, display tags? Terminal is toggle the display sources alongside messages. Computer available terminal tweaks. Okay. Sure. Cache. Cache is empty. I guess, establishing connection with digested terminal. Sky. Hello there, cowboy. Wasn't sure you'd jack in. Hello? Didn't your mama tell you not to stick other people's drives in your PC? Especially those you met on lone alleys. Why'd you plug it in anyway? Well, you were cute. Well, thank you. I don't know why I'm voicing the Sky like this. Do you know... I'm Sky. The stick you jacked in had a radio wave transmitter along the terminal software. Anyway, uses long-range radio waves to deliver data decentralized and encrypted E2E end-to-end. Allows to talk without governments or corpos spying on us. You probably have questions. Long range. Nope, not gonna let me do that. I can hover this. I don't know why. I was hoping, why me? This part might come with a bit of a shock, so you have to bear with me. Normally I hand out these sticks to strangers to get them off the net. Old Web has been dead for a long time now, and cyberpunk battle is lost anyway. Trying to draw more people into the waves for communication, where they won't be under constant surveillance. But for you, things are a bit different. Different how? Tower you are working will blow up somewhere in the next 10 hours. Unless you're suicidal, don't go to work tomorrow. Why? We are a cyber activist group called Chirp Syndicate. This is not our doing. We value civilian life and try to cause change without hurting anyone. Then who? There's another group. They call themselves Anonomos. A bit more high-tech than us, don't cooperate, and truly a bit radical. However, I do have a link inside, which allows me to somewhat negotiate or reason with them. That's how I was able to reach you and your colleagues. My salary? Oh, what should I do? Don't panic. All you need to do is lay low for a bit. Nomos said they will compensate your money? That's weird. Don't try and dash attention. Nomos also sent this file. Don't think you'll be missing your old job loading. You can see the file in its cache when it's completed. Anything else? Normally, as Chirp Syndicate, we are trying to be all cool and mysterious, only accepting contract people through encrypted tests to see whether they'll fit in. But in your case, we need to skip all that and contact immediately. To make radio text more familiar to you, I put Flynn as the second designated connection. You can ask your questions to him. When you're more acquainted with radio waves, oh god, come on, type connect again. Fuck. Can I go up? Can I go up and read this? Okay, good. Ah, fuck. I'm signing off. See you later. You can press tab on your deck to return to your terminal. Oh, shit. Oh, also terminals show auto-replies when we are away. Don't be surprised by it. Okay. Hey there, I'm not on the wave right now. Ping me back later. Tee-hee. Thanks. Ah, God damn it. Anyway, let's check out the cache real quick. This is fucking awesome. I dig this a lot. Mail _ transcription. Oh, fuck. Okay, hold on. Let's take this from the top. Oh, where are we? Mail transcription from EK, Chief Executive Officer, to MR, Chief Executive Officer. Continuity Tower Workforce. Yeah. Tower Workforce. Computer M. The automation of Continuity Tower is now complete. All accounting work is handled start to finish by the system. The remaining flesh employees were kept only to show stability during the transition, checking the artificials. Last automation phase is done as scheduled. There's another one. Same guys. Good. Handle this in stages. Close departments one by one so it looks like normal restructuring. Remember, no severance. As a reminder, those employees were never covered under insurance. In case of illness, costs were covered directly from the budget to maintain appearances. Match those ends as well. Evil, gruff, evil. Once the final departments are closed, tower will run fully automated. End of chain. End of file. So they want to blow up the tower. Blow up the tower. Okay, I mean, I get it. That makes sense. No names here, so I'm not really too sure about this. Anyway, who's our contact? Flynn. Ah, okay, we have tabs. Hey there, I'm Flynn. Sky told me someone would be writing. Guess that might be you, I guess. Heard you know nothing about radio text, both radio waves and terminal-wise. Is that right? Yeah. Oh, yes. No worries, let's start. Firstly, the radio text is the name of the software inside the USB. Sticks had a processor inside, so it is a computer, though not a powerful one. This little computer is equipped with a radio receiver transmitter antenna, software that allows us to message using that. Okay. However, radio waves still carry a limited amount of data, thus most of the time we need lots of compression. Text is almost fine, but when it comes to audio and images, things become a bit funky. Still, this... I see that, hold on. Wait, still, this thing has been around for some time, and people even played Doom on it. Good. You just gotta learn the way of the waves. Wait, so does, like, John Romero exist in this universe? Doom 1 or Doom 2? Can I play those? Oh, fuck. Well, let's start with the screen. makes it look more like a chat. You can go ahead and look at the interface tweaks in your terminal. Amber looks much more clean than green IMO. Try the different colors while there. It's fine. Okay, cool. In order for the picture to work, you must first run the plugin. Actually, Sky could have done this beforehand, but since not everybody plugs in the stick, it's become a waste of time. Sending the other one now. Just a second, here it is. After this loads, return to your terminal and type cache. File should be there. Any problems so far? Are these safe? Yeah, they are. Your terminal's working directly inside the stick. Can't harm your computer. That's interesting. Type display PP. Should display my profile in the right corner. No, it sounds funny. Message shouldn't have reached me. You need to install the plugin. I wanted to see if it actually had a check for if you didn't check. Anyway, hold on. We'll do cache real quick. So we want bitmap. Oh, whoops. What? Oh, that's mail transcription. Okay, for a second I was like, what? Underscore plugin.config. Stay chromed up. Image buffer, write cache. The patch will alter system files. Well, nothing we can do about that, right? Incoming stream handler patched. Stream checksums. Memory regions getting overwritten. Bitmap render. Installation complete. Okay, easy enough. Running audio plugin. I wish I could read that instantly, but, you know. A WAV decoder. Yeah. Syncing audio. Mismatch between output clock. Ooh, hold on. Also, I'm curious, is there anything around here we can interact with? I was kind of hoping there'd be a little more around here, like if we could fiddle with the radio, drink our coffee, you know, things like that. Audio clocks, probing device, signal, mismatch detected between mixer, connect to random interface setting. Random. Connecting to a new random frequency. Oh, what the fuck? Hold on. So our audio mismatch is, can we do... Hold on. Links? Skyflynn Casey, you can reconnect by typing connect followed by a thing. Enter... What if I do cache again? Audio... plugin.config. Dependencies are good. Yeah, start the subsystem. Received. Attempting soft resample. Error code E441C? Anyway, install the plugin. Once you install the plugin, run the command. Oh. Change the color by typing pp color. Set info. Show my info underneath. Pushing into the steps for every chat it allows. Close ugly PPs as well. Nice to meet you, though. It didn't join an unusual way. I'm glad you're here. I am not in yet. I'll just say thank you. Welcome aboard. And maybe skip telling other chirps about how you joined. They might offend to it, since you didn't undergo the trials. Don't worry, only I and Sky now. For now, that's it for me. Go ahead and explore. Get to know the terminal. There are weird people to talk to in the wideband later. Let's see. A wise man knows his day will end. Well, of course we gotta do, interesting. And then what was it? Set info? True freedom, yeah. And then you can do... What's the PP color, right? Set info. Yeah, hold on. Let's try green. Yeah, does that change all of them? No. Interesting. So we can basically set our designated colors for people. Let's check out Casey real quick. And do a... Oh, no PP info? The view beneath the horizon seemed rendered in pixels behind the fly screen. Under the pulsing neon lights of the corporate towers, you could feel the city's heartbeat. Metals vibrate at the same frequency as the engines of motor vehicles passing along degenerous highways. Who are you? Hello, complete stranger! I am Casey. I'm an author, a novelist, a novel writer. That didn't sound too confident, did it? Forget all that now. What did you think about the entrance? Was it too descriptive, too mystique? Perhaps a little hard to understand? Cool theme. Well, it's pretty much what I got when I look out. They shot in the world's ecosystem, and now we're the ones to suffer. I just romanticize it a little. Just a little. Passage is going to be the intro of my book, so it's important that it's catchy. Gotta hook the reader right into it. It's mainly why I'm here, talking about writing and a bit of civil disobedience. Tell me about yourself. Let's do the info. No? Display? What is it? It's like... Hold on. I keep doing PP info instead, but it's deliberately set info instead of It's because we were talking about PP color. Set info. The sky above the port was the color of the television, tuned to a dead channel. Gibson. His name's Gibson. Well, wait, why does he have a Gibson, actually? In yellow, too. That's another thing we saw up here is, Casey Gibson, maybe? Would be his full name? It sounds like a complete-ish name. I mean... Could we just call him, like, Casey Gibson, and then he, like, locks off? I mean, I'm out of topics to chat about, so you tell me something. No, the civil thing. Oh, that! The government doesn't allow people to broadcast on the radio or use its frequencies or something, I don't know. Oh, goddammit. You know, one problem with the text popping up like this is because we have the name tags turned on. Developer, if you see this, I'd say if you toggle the names, they should just be on for when someone's talking instead of popping up after the sentence, because I start reading and then it shifts and that fucks with me. Anyway, where was I? They tell us that it interferes with the communications or something. Also, there were pirate radios before times. It was a measure against that, too. All complete bullshit, if you ask me. I think they only fear what they can't control. They force us to use their channels to communicate. I don't obey that law. I'm sorry. Is this illegal? It wasn't initially. Even the big corps were advertising and stuff. You could still come across dead channels. Look, I understand that you're new to this thing, but how could you not know these? Don't internet people tell the history behind the calling, when calling people in? Internet people? Look, you gotta stop asking me questions. Wait, here, I'm fetching you a frequency. Here, connect to 868922. High frequency, type connect SF7. Oh, shit. How do you find this place and not from the... No, it was net people. Oh, so you just didn't know the slang. Got it. Okay, I need to go now. Gotta run some errands and then get back to writing. Hope you stick around. Your favorite writer, Casey, is now off to the waves. See you later. Let's do that. Connect. 868.992. Hold on. 868.992 SF... What was that? SF7. Let's see if that works. No? Oh. I'm being a bingus, aren't I? Let's see if we can actually, like... Oh. Thank you, game. 868.992 SF7. Establishing connection with designated... Oh, shit! Welcome to the Dictionary of the Free World, Free Dictionary. There's an open source project made possible by contribution from all over the Balkans. Type the desired word and then press the return key. If there's a match, auto-response system will answer. Example words are radio text. Radio text, proper noun. An encrypted long-range radio protocol meshwork. Released as an open source project on the Usenet in the 90s. Originally developed by Janet Kovac, aka Spectrum Synthesizer, for earthquake emergency comms. Following her unexplained death, rumors of assassination persist. Okay, interesting. So we could look up all the definitions of things. I mean, it's just a dictionary on words, so we can't look into people's names, but I'd love to look into Janet Kovac. Also ASCII and Cypher, sure. Cipher, or cipher, alternate spelling. In cryptography, a cipher is a method or algorithm that used to transform readable information into an encoded form. Cipher methods. ROT13. I'm actually familiar with some of this stuff. Basic, not, like, anywhere into it. Shift 13. Gotcha. So out of curiosity, can I use my mouse wheel? Okay, cool. Chirp. Curious if that means it. Oh, what the fuck? Hold on. What? The hell happened when I typed chirp? How was it? Okay. Hold on. Weird, it doesn't even have any response. I think that was just her messaging us, but I want to actually really quickly Nomos. See if there's any... Ah! And Nomos! Radical anarchist group. Operating old waves. Ruling class and the systems of the old world must collapse together, relaying under the phrase Morris Mundi Verdis, the death of the old world. They describe themselves as a knife at the neck of those who step out of line while hoarding excess wealth. To Ann Nomos, as long as the individual remains unaware, they are functioning cogs in a many-wheeled capitalist machine, and therefore complicit in its continuation. I don't necessarily agree with that, but they're a terrorist schizo group, so... I don't have to agree with that, right? That's for you, the viewer, to decide. Bitmap renders. Let's see. I mean, we could probably look up decentralized. Whoops. Ah, fuck. How do you spell decentralized? T-R-A-L. Does it keep my... I mean, we could look... Hold on. I want to actually see end-to-end. I know what decentralized means. I'm curious to see if there's anything on end-to-end encryption. Yeah. No intermediaries, no backdoors often flagged. Also see E2E and, okay, gamma to gamma. Alphabet shift 13. I'm just kind of scanning to see if there's anything else we need to actually look into. I mean, we could look into... How are these guys called again? Why me? We could, you know what? Actually, I'm curious. Movement or individual, viewing... Yeah, okay. There we go. Chirp Syndicate. Wave-based organization believing that communication between individuals must remain private, unmonitored, uncensored, and always available, inspired by the cypherpunks who came before them, also known as Chirps, Synths, Syndicate, and other similar names. You know what? I'm curious. Ah, there's no fun entry on Doom. There would your 1993 video game classic persisted to the modern age as a freeware. Ah, it's fine. Whatever, I get it. Anyway, she's trying to message us. Let's see. Kind of. You seemed a sharp one. I guess I was right. You were right? We had a little bet inside whether you'd catch up to speed or not. I played on you. Fuck you. Sorry. I'll ask whether or not you want to join Chirp Syndicate or not. Shit. Guess that building just blew up, huh? So it begins. What the fuck was that? That was the dropping tower. There's no going back now. Have you made your decision? Well, I'm hoping it's against the failing tyrants. I want in. Welcome then, rookie. It was fun. You're gonna love it. I'm gonna hop off real quick. When I'm back, I'll ask for your help on a matter. We found out there's an undercover inside the waves. You've reached the end of the demo. There are still mysteries to uncover. You can keep browsing when they're over. The message will repeat is 100% completed. Let's go. Hold on. I fucking love this. Copper rat guinea pig. Music's nice. Actually, let's try Gibson. Casey Gibson. Help. I love the idea behind this. It's got a little some crust to it, I think. And obviously, like, I wish they had given us some more interesting, like, here, let's just connect at random. Hold on. 12 frequencies. Used to be notepad. You can write down anything you'd like. No data is collected. Help? Oh, okay. So that's interesting. I'm gonna keep. I kind of wish you had a an input, so if I wanted to connect random, I could just press like up or down on my keyboard to type without moving your fingers. Where speed is life, keyboards are noise. Tect will be our savior. Tect ring typer is here. Get yours today. Repetitive transmission. Type disconnect to end connection. So this is just Tect. Okay, let's do. Yeah, so like if I could hit up or down or like some sort of like insert delete just to redo my last like connect, that would be nice. Random frequency. Ghost mouth. No wires, no wires, no interferences, just pure voice transmission. Ghost mouth utilizes a minimally invasive procedure to install enabling seamless wireless communication wherever you go because privacy is your right. Ugh. You know, actually, out of curiosity, hold on. Nothing. We're gonna jump through a few of these, and then I think we're good. 7 previously designated. What is the deadliest sin that makes corporations grow? Duh. Greed. What is the most important human right taken from us in the name? Protection. Freedom. Well done. Oh shit! It's a cipher? The problem with the demo is it didn't have us jump through any puzzles, so now we've hit one and I'm like, ah, fuck. Granted, I know it's a demo, so I'm just gonna keep scanning around, seeing what we're doing. What was it? Set info? Or what was... Ah, fuck, I already forgot the command. I already forgot it. Display PP and set info. Oh, there's nothing. Well done. So 4 cipher. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna jump through the hoop of this. I'm gonna just go. Oh no. Would have been funny, but just because we're almost at the end of the video, I'm not gonna jump through it. We're gonna keep dicking around and look at the other frequencies real quick. Chrome. Newcomer, huh? Signal's clean. You're not broadcasting anything. One of those sky greens. Just listening. Better than screaming into dead air. You would like an upgrade, though. I can see through your digits green. There's something different. But I ain't no oracle, and I don't want to spoil anything. Terminal like yours is plain text only, all text, no eyes. I can fix that. Ow. One can only fit so much data into a radio wave. Run this. Establish link remote device. Request remote access. It's a remote link. Doesn't use chirp range, but the same method. We'll patch you over to an arrayed receiver. Not much, but you'll see the waves. I don't necessarily trust this guy. Go do it. I'm waiting. No. No. Chrome. You're fucking weird. Let's just jump through random airwaves again. I love this a lot. Radix tips. Welcome to Radio Tech's Tips. You can find useful tips and tricks how to navigate your terminal. Where do you want to start? Concepts. Concepts. As popularity and the usage of radio text increased in the mid-90s, the concepts did develop with it. Just note these concepts are not finalized. They're continuously evolving. Oh no. I am using widely accepted definitions. Active channel, dead channel. Terminal without a person, active dead channel, built-in automated, passive dead channel. Repeats the same message over and over. Okay. That's useful. 10 previously. Okay, we can at least see which ones we've gone through. Why, hello, beautiful. I'm Rumor. Nice to meet you. It's the first time I'm seeing you. You must be new here. What brings you here? Okay, set info. Keep your ears wide open. Ugh. Oh, almost all tapped. Whoops. Terrorists! Wanted to be free. Free, yes. But free from what? The whole system. I see, free from the strings, the puppet steps off the stage. What do you think about the actions of Nomos Love? Over the line. Some say indeed they believe in breaking a few eggs in the process. Do you know why they call me Rumor? Because I have all the gossip you seek. Just ask me what I think about a person and I'll tell you all I know. You can ask others as well, but I can't guarantee they'll answer. Go ahead, ask me. Chrome. Tough nut to crack. Corporation fears him. He's the only one breaking their thick ice. Don't stay too close, though. People say he melts his wax wings overclocking this close to the sun. Wouldn't want to get scorched, as previous ones had. Previous? I wish I could go into that. Ooh, look at you. Not many people know Trix is a human. Most think that she is a dead channel repeating puzzles no one beats. When you learn about her, I will be waiting for you to write. Ooh. Cute boy, who's always loyal to Sky, can speak more tech, doesn't have the guts to lead. Or at least that's what they tell us about him. You. Oh, wait. I was hoping that she'd have like, oh, you're asking about me. Notepad? I was curious. Let's see what she thinks about Sky real quick. She knows people and has secrets, or so I've been heard. She isn't fond of me, but I like her. Keeps bringing fresh stuff to the waves for me. Okay. Let's just, real quick, I mean, we're not going to jump through the hoop of tricks. Like, this is probably a fucking substitution cipher or something along those lines. The movement cipher, we saw that early in the free dictionary. It's one of those, but I'm not going to solve it right now. I want to go see what Chrome's up to. I want to do this shit. And then we can wrap the game up because I'm a little bit over my time. Oh, whoops. 792.195 SF14. Type the magic word. Go do it, I'm waiting. Magic word? You know the magic word, you just gotta type it. Oh, is it literally just please? Yeah. Use arrow keys to match frequencies. Use scroll wheel to move inside the terminal. What the fuck? Match frequencies, like, Okay. What the fuck? I mean, I get what I'm supposed to be doing here. I'm just... How perfectly do I have to match this here? Let's see if I can get to one of these.
I was sitting in my apartment. Can you close the window, darling?
This is cool. I like this. I wish we had found this earlier. I'm gonna keep diving through this, but I'm gonna end up, Hold on. I'm gonna end up playing more of this by myself. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'd recommend you check out the game down below so you can solve Trix's secret puzzle. Trix, you get it? You get it? Trix, haha. Trix, I wonder what that's going to be. I wonder how important the name Trix is going to be, or someone who gives you puzzles. That's weird. Anyway, my name is Archer. Like the video, like it, dislike it, don't, and I will see you next time. Goodbye, and stay safe. And remember, stay open and stay free on the wide terminal. The wide, wide, wide terminal. So many radio frequencies to see. I'm going to do another. See you later.